So many times I bring you plants that are just like, you know, hip, cool, different, weeping, blue, red. So you're looking at this one, you're like, big deal. It's a sugar maple. But it's not just sugar maple. And the trend right now is tight, fastigiate, upright, small space. This is Acer saccharum, sugar maple, Apollo. And its claim to fame is that it's a 25 to 30 foot tree, but it gets 10 feet wide. And that's just insane. For a tree that size to only be 10 feet wide, you want to talk about a tree for a tight space. This is more fastigiate than a lot of plants that claim to be fastigiate. So, as with most sugar maples, your fall color is going to be exceptional. It's going to be orange and maybe a little bit of reds, some yellows, but orange is a good trait to count on. Going to be maybe 6 to 8 inches a year, maybe, and again, maxing out at about 25 to 30 feet tall. And like I said, full color, tight spaces, just a wicked cool plant. You can see, I'll zoom in on the foliage. So that's a standard fair sugar maple leaf. And if you're looking for a tree that's well behaved in a tight space, you might want to give Acer saccharum Apollo a shot.